Well, it's almost 2009. I know I haven't made a video in neons, and you probably can't see shit because it's dark. Oh well. How many more minutes?
Seconds.
Oh, 30 seconds? I don't want him to.
13.
10.
10.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy 2009. And I'm still as jumpy as ever. Huh. Okay. When you said get cheap, you got cheap. Okay. I bet I know who that is. Nope. It's on the other side of the wall there.
Well, here's to the new year, the new economy.
Hope it's better.
Drinking $6 champagne out of plastic glasses.
Happy New Year, everybody. I've never heard him scream before. It's recording. You can't really see nothing.
Well, at least get the Christmas lights in there.
Yep. You scared the shit out of the dog. Oh, she almost ran like she did that one day with the little girl and the teddy bear.
Yeah.
I think you scared the screamer.
I think not.
No, that was whistles.